In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple accounts on the same Threads app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, as you can see, I'm here on my Threads app. So just go and open your app. And currently, I only have one account. However, I'll wish to add another Threads account. To do that, just go to your profile icon down below, and this will expose your profile. And under it, tap on this settings icon. Now from here, if you scroll down, you can see we have this option to switch accounts. Tap on it, and now here we have an option to add an account. This is my current account. To add another account, just go to add profile, and from here you can now add your profile. So tap on add another profile here, and you can now enter your username and even password for an existing account that you wish to add. So this applies if you already have an existing account. So this is how you can add or create a profile on your Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.